The most popular AI code editors today, Cursor, Windsurf, Copilot, feel brand new. But underneath, they're all built on the same thing, VS Code. They changed the skin, they kept the skeleton. Cursor and Windsurf are forks of VS Code. Copilot is an extension on top of it. The AI is a layer. The layer sits on a skeleton. And here's the part most people miss. VS Code isn't one program. It's several separate processes working together. The editor you see is just one of them. The editor UI draws the screen. The extension host runs your extensions, safely sandboxed. Language servers power autocomplete and go to definition. The terminal runs your commands, 4 separate processes that the editor on screen only coordinates. So when an AI editor does something clever, ask what's underneath. The AI is the layer, VS Code is the skeleton, and over this series, we'll crack open every bone,